Skele, angka skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele, uza ngobukele, angka skele.
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlago Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kamfele Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Intwana semakhonji la Blomo Tsotsi la Jia kona ipoti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intariana bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Soweto Siketo. There's a theme song that starts the show bafethu. Please make sure you stream that song. Iskelem as by Skelem this year. Moza ngobukelem as thing Skelem. So let's stream the song on all digital platforms. Bafethu. Re booking, re le performele. Namhlanje bafethu, there's no PR answers. There's no dog. Lo muntu ngam interview aniyazi ukuthi ubuyaphi. Today abantu ba complain ngayo mfethu. There's no PR answers Simpiwe. Firstly, if I ask a question, there's no skip what. Ne? Siyavumelana.
But skip, but we no comment.
Yeah, there's no comment. Today there's comments.
Yeah, sure.
Siyavumelana ngisho.
Yeah.
Ne? We're breaking the industry down, ne?
Sure.
Clean. Okay, bafethu. So let's get on it. You can give them welcome mama viewers wa kabantu ba.
Amarubuna ngithe last time wolo bongolkamile ke.
Babulise sebayakwazi.
So if bangazi mfethu hello everyone. But I'm here now.
Ne?
Yeah, I'm here now, so sayichubekile.
Ne?
Asibonga.
Sibonga. My sister, ngicela nami ngithi kancane nje. Ekhapheni ne? Yeah, kancane. Ne. Amanzi. Ngiyacanga ukuthi mangithi kancane ngisho into zerong. Ne bangagayidla siphakathi ne. So, this is what's happening bafethu. You're going to be talking about Universal, Sony, Pasta 929, Mzu M, Mapiano Culture, the whole industry. Before I go there, I want him to tell his profile because the last time akafuna usho profile yakhe, I don't know why. But no.
Okay, sure.
Today I'm kind of lazy.
Okay.
Today I'm kind of lazy. Tell them where you used to work and why wayeka and bekwenzakalani.
So let me start by saying that I used to be an artist manager, and then from La Povele got exposed to other different stuff, which is Sony, Universal, virtually A&R. I don't know if they know what the A&R is. Scouting for talent. So I think that's the short bio for now.
Okay, that's the
Yeah.
Okay, Vater.
And I let you say
Mnandi ne?
Yeah, so it.
Yeah, I choose Soweto. Bafethu bengithi ngicela ningikhaseleni ijuzi.
Now Bunale.
Ijuzi.
Oh.
Yeah. So guys, today it's gonna be a bomb because Simpiwe knows much way deeper about this music industry and the development of everything. Simpiwe ngiyacela, no PR answers, please. So let's start by this.
Yeah.
What's happening with Sony? What's happening with Universal?
At the current moment.
Moment and the current moment. Artists are complaining about their money. What's happening within the office? Because you are within the office.
No, let me tell you, within I'm an artist, and this is what we spoke about the last time when I told you, it's different when you negotiate with these type of record labels.
Yeah.
Because of other artists will settle for amount already they're desperate. So ufuna that spotlight. You
Yeah.
understand? And which most people know about it, the year 360. But the other deals are not discussed. And that's where people are not educated enough. You go, okay, cool. If this is what I'm taking, and remember, if you're gonna take advance, that's a loan from them. Bag loan to say okay,
Yeah.
sharp. Unale hitile. You are temba, not we trust in you. So this is how much we're gonna give you. But it needs to pay it.
Yeah,
right?
recoup.
And if it doesn't, that's why some artists are put in what? We call it the red column. So if you can't make that money back, you know what they do? They then put up another 500,000. And then when a Mayama artist where they would take that advance again. Because remember, what to touch the first advance, Tengama Gucci, different cars, ufune lifestyle. So with that one hit,
I was caught as well.
yeah, I told. And then uthembele ukuthi ngizoyenza le mali leyana, but not obviously young. But I need to maintain the lifestyle le manje sengiyibuildile. Yoma something that I'm currently in. So how do I recoup gigs? And that money, remember, with gigs, in fact, it's half of the money, you know, that also goes to my record label. So with the Sony and Universal, I think the most important thing they will always pick up is talent. But sometimes talent now lacks a little education when it comes to negotiating and stuff. And that's why it's easy for talent to complain. But remember, at that particular time,
Yeah, facts. Facts.
you know, so yeah, so currently I think with also that story that was going on, Yaga Maporis, and what he did was a big thing. When they gave him that money,
22 million. You're talking about the 22 million
but
sal.
we distribute it to the right people.
Yeah.
Aba niggas whatever share that he needs to give them other artists with no bamba na ye, you know. So Darana, this thing it needs people to actually not only do more research but also know what they want.
Good.
But they spread too much.
Wait, it's hung.
Yeah, but hunger is dangerous, hang.
Yeah.
Hang is dangerous.
Hung is dangerous.
It's dangerous hang because you need to know okay, as much as in Lambile, so but what are you worth? Do you know now? It's one thing to be talented, it's another thing, manje, to know you're worth it.
Yeah.
That's what people are struggling with. Yeah, but so yes, as much as we can say Amazon and Ing, these are two most big companies and they're doing great jobs. But it's just that artists need to be true to themselves. If you negotiate a deal, know what you're negotiating, know what you're bringing yourself into, know what you're talking about. Because uzofika lapho negotiate uthi no ngiyavuma ngizonikeza this heat le, and remember ukuthi sikhuluma ngama royals, sikhuluma ngama masters that you're giving away.
Yeah.
So you having to own your masters is another different topic. Do you ever?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna sit down with Sony or Universal and they're gonna say, okay, cool, let's renegotiate for my masters work. You owe us this much. Marutufuna ma masters. So how are you?
Because coming to talking about that, like Ukabza and Maporisa allegedly, what I saw on the internet, they're like 22 million each from Sony or Universal.
Yeah.
So that's why they're always in studio cooking music, because they have to pay that 22 million.
Yeah, because it's a loan. Advance doesn't necessarily mean that it's your money.
So I'm an artist appealing alone.
Basically.
So I'm appealing on Mashonesa.
And that's how they move.
So when Mashonesa says, I can't give you money anymore, you're going back home.
But that's what record labels don't do. They can't say we can't give you money. We already given you by the time we sign a contract. So it's record labels having to say, to be taking a leap of faith in what you have. So it's a risk, because if I'm investing in something and go to 2 years from now, I don't know what is it gonna become. 2 years from now, God forbid, untara mama drugs. How am I gonna recoup that money?
And then niyabhema nina ngicabanga ukuthi asazi.
Uyabo uthi njani? 5 years from now, untara nakasafuna ukwenza music, quit. Okay, how are we gonna recoup that money? So that's where now comes in the Abama Masters. So as a record label, we need to make other means to make that money that we invested into you, and it needs to make sense so that we can invest on the other person. So you get untare anuyabuya, angisafuna ukwenza music, they don't want to give you my masters. Yeah, how are we gonna give you when you owe us 5 million? And you're right by wanting your masters, but you failed by the time when you signed that contract and agreed. And this is where Mangitugu, people need to know how to negotiate.
Yeah.
There's a publishing deal, there's a distribution deal,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
And then you have a record deal,
Yes, sir.
a record label deal.
Yeah.
These are 3 different things. And for example, I will always use Chris Brown. He's independent.
Yeah. Shout out to Crazy.
He's independent, but he always has these publishing deals, distribution deals. And when you negotiate them, it's always a percentage. Okay, this is how much you take, this is how much you take. With the record label deal, what you're now saying is that whatever that I'm releasing under this label, it's then owned by, for example, NBS. If NBS is the record label, it's owned by NBS. And then NBS can do whatever with also your masters. And the masters kuluma with everything. Copyright. If Coca-Cola wants to use one of your songs, it's under us.
Good up.
Yeah, but
It's crazy.
I want to
But it's business.
Yeah, it is business. It is business.
Even though it's crazy.
I mean, I wouldn't say crazy.
But it's business.
It's business. It's business because you get a lot of artists that also complain. For example, Ambitious. Ambitious, it's been on the spotlight. Remember, Abus Java, Ngabo,
Fifi Cooper.
Fifi Cooper,
MT,
Ngabo, MTS, Benchmark.
But what happened? It's also quite ambitious.
Yeah, it's also gone.
Not to say lazy, it's quite ambitious.
No, it's also gone. It's still running.
Shout out to Jose on time.
It's still running. And you know, one of the Undwana that I thought Okrodman could have done justice to, Kid Tini. Or some Kumbulu boy.
Very true. Yo, there was this dope song.
Sure.
There was this dope song got Kitty, I think it was like a love song.
There's so many songs that are Kid Tini where it's a love song.
Yeah, because it's scared, like.
Oh yes, yes.
That song was dope.
Oh,
What happened to Kitty?
I think.
Good teen.
But yeah, oh boy, I think Ambitious. They just didn't know what to do now, and I think the timing was just wrong.
Oh boy.
If I'm wrong, but I'm telling you, the timing was just wrong. Because he was in an era of Aries, Nasty C, and then Aries and now they going Ambitious, and then Kitty now comes in. But now the positioning of that artist, the timing was just wrong. At least the hype could have been down, and then Uboy Bamtat, and then Bamut. Because of when it comes to writing, he doesn't only rap, but he produces as well.
Nice.
That's what a lot of people don't know.
Nice.
He produces, he also writes. He's a good songwriter.
Right.
You know, so those are things. And Nakon, I want to say this, and I'm glad that you brought up this topic. When people are complaining about Ama record label, it's different, Darian, when it comes to us as artists. What is Funan? Most of my artists are Funan. And they only figure that out when they are now in the spotlight. And then now the light is too bright.
Yeah,
Young John. Now the light is too bright. When all of a sudden, Intaran sega vogile sega bayam ropa, agasana makiki, agasana. You get me?
Get you.
But when you sit down and ukhuluma nalabantu lab, you can see the deals that these artists do. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous because of at some point this record label wants 5 albums, maybe ama EPI 2 or in it. You understand? But for them, bona baphenga nje as long as ngilapha ku-grand. Do you understand ukuthi i-list yakho ingakanani yama-bill?
Yo.
Do you understand how much you're demanding from a record label so that they can keep up now? Do you understand that pressure?
Yo.
Yokuthi ufika lapha ufike nabantu abayi-4. Wena da. Ufike nabantu abayi-4. Uyasayina mawuqeda ukusayina lapha, they need to decide ukuthi okay, this one wenza, lo wenza. But you walking nabantu abayi-4 which they're not even doing anything for it.
Yeah.
Record labels the same company that still needs to look for a manager for you, a road manager, a PR, marketing, someone who's going to focus on you as a brand.
Yeah.
Not another artist.
Yes, sir.
Only you.
Personal manager.
Bega, you have 4 gigs or 5 gigs. Nariano decides with that crew la by 4. So Puman, I'm a fucking casual or poor mangak. I'm a petrol la tell la payana. Aha, guys, come on.
So I understand the Kitini part, ne? Kitini is a dope boy, ne? He makes dope music. Now we have McLaren Dope Boy, who just came up now. Who overshot Abantaba, like our Kitini being on the game.
Yeah.
But McLaren Dope Boy is there.
Yeah.
Like, why? Like, I don't understand what's happening.
Positioning.
How? Please put it on tape.
Positioning. Man, I'm always, and this is what artists need to do. Artists need to also do their own research. It's fine. You can be well known and stuff. It's okay. At the end of the day, by the time we don't really care. You get me? But they need to do research. The only way you can be this known or you can get these gigs is by your marketing team. Marketing team is very much important because of you will about decide I would back position aganja. And that's why I will always use Drake. And I have Drake because of I would. Here's why. Mainly because of despite the music, the way he's being positioned by his marketing team. Drake can drop an album now, brother.
Worldwide.
He's already made 3 billion streams by dropping it today. And you ask yourself, how is he doing it? Why? Mainly because of the marketing team. How they position him. In every album that he drops, the name may accord. It has to do with that. Remember, Drake is someone that will come up, how can I put it, with a trend. And if, for example, this is where Abantazang by Champ. When I allow Drake by Akipa Kona, in the album like Scorpion, Asha side A and side B. South African artist Batalug Landale.
Yeah.
Java then did that the other album, disc 1, disc 2. Of which Italicon, but Drake just brought it back in a different way.
Weird.
But in everything that Drake drops, there's always a clip that follows. That builds momentum to what he's about to do. Going back to when he dropped, if you're listening to this, it's too late.
Yeah.
I think it was a time where he was beefing No McMill or something like that.
Yeah, McMill over.
Then dropped that mixtape, but he dropped the mixtape without releasing any date. Hence the name made sense. If you're reading this, it's too late.
That's a bar.
I want to that.
Chajana my phone. That's a bar.
Darana Mzanzi. I can ask you to name whatever artist, piano, hip hop, whatever. Are they big? America?
Never.
Thank you. Why? Because of Tina Ngogwetsi Starlight. By the time Usimpiwe nimbona kuphiko or Usimpiwe seka angithi famous. Guess what? Angisakuboni na foko.
Sangdelele.
Uyayibona Thinja? In America, they well known.
They are not famous. They are well known.
They well known.
Not famous.
Alan Zanzu famous.
Yeah. They are well,
because of when everyone was saying that awareness teas, those events, famous, we push a little fame.
Yeah.
And that's why with your post as well on Instagram, these fancy cars in but those ones, they are well known.
And those ones, they own those cars. They don't rent those cars.
Thank you. Another story that I would tell you, because if I want to show Abantu, every time when you interview someone,
Yeah.
uyenza research yakho.
Yeah.
And that's what people don't know. Maybe I can thatha umuntu estradeni wamletha la wathi akhuluma noma yini. But I want to show them how deep this music thing is, and for you to say ukuthi ngiphethe umuntu ukuthi no une knowledge yalento le. Usher. That's how I understood a record label, how they work. When Usher got into the game, right? Usher got into the game, signed a contract, only to find out with everything, it's the same thing to MT. Everything that Usher thought was his was actually owned by a record label.
Yes.
But at that time, I think he was 18 or 19 when he signed that deal. And when he found out, guess what happened? Obviously breakdown. I thought, and he wanted to leave that record label. Record label, no, but if you're leaving, then it's going to it. But unannounced to him, do you know what he did? He then spoke to the record label, can I buy these things from me? And that's what he did. Guys, we have a long way to go. I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Because the artist,
Yeah.
and not really encouraging you to actually let's do more, let's build, let's have into so. This is where it's frustrating, because of these big companies will always win and will always capitalize, mainly because of the lack of discipline that most artists have. The one Boguilega Kespanyoverse, his record label,
Family Tree.
It's
really slash.
You understand? But some support. All of a sudden, we don't know what happened. And by that time, people petting your artist to go to Yashis. What's here?
It's the car in 3 songs.
Yes.
I woke up and
But that's the thing. How are you as an artist gonna lead a record label? Because now it's say artist.
Because if you get a booking for what about me?
Thank you. But not only what about me, you still move as an artist at the end of the day.
So sorry, MT, I was here. MT just signed with F-Easy. MT nama artist under yen. What do you think about that?
MT move at different. He moves different to MT.
Just
because in most cases, MT right now no longer moves as an artist. You won't find him in places that you would think would Zobako. If maybe they booked to Java, if they booked to MT, you won't. It's rare to find him in those places, because of he understood. There's the business side, and then there's me as the artist. But if there's a business side, and I know this thing will build other people, I need to move different. I'm getting running a record label, and you want to see me next to my artist every time as an artist now, and then I'm going to perform in the same gig where you are. So what are you doing? Am I still promoting you, or me? That's why you get on that leave. Let's say man, get your space. Let me do my
own thing.
Because he's amazing. He's also a producer. He's a songwriter and a dope vocalist.
And the nice, I love his image too.
Yeah, but so it's differentiate, brother.
So before we dive into the entertainment space, I wanted to talk about like the froster that's happening within the thingy, Universal Music and so on. Who are taking money from musicians, Like, how is that possible ukuthi kune fraud engaka within Universal Music and Sony Music?
That's the word to use on it's a deep question. And it's not.
It's deep to other people because there are people who are suffering currently.
Yeah, but
Others trying to commit suicide because of that. See me pressing my phone, I just want to call MT.
no, which is fine. But what I'm saying, go with it. That one I saw, ne? And it goes back to what I was telling you. We don't do research. We don't.
Yeah.
Kuma auditors go.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
So when and laugh, it means that you're not doing any follow up when it comes to your contract. Maybe you have a temp, I don't know. Maybe you trust them enough. But working with other artists, I've never experienced such a way someone would say, okay, cool. So everything they do follow ups with the people that I worked with. So I'm a follow up not important. So with that one I can't answer. Because how do they get themselves in that position? Or better yet, let me not put it that way. How do they get themselves in that position? Let me just say lack of information.
Okay, you were into Sony. You're working with Sony.
Yeah.
You're working with Universal.
Yeah.
What's happening within? You wanna know what's happening within?
Yeah, but in terms of what?
Of everything. The people are robbing people. Why? Emails want to say like, if you have your money, how can I recoup my money? Like, how can I fight for me to get my money back? Because everybody's trying to fight Universal and Sony, they don't win.
Yeah, you won't win.
Why?
Because of you not. That's why I engage with. It's lack of information. It's lack of information. By the time that contract is in front of you, are you understanding everything that's going on? You don't just sign a contract mainly because of you want to. There's maybe some artists that would say, yeah, I was forced. We don't know how were you forced. But these big companies, they would suggest to Leo contract rather be a lawyer present. Do you want us to get you a lawyer or unawea kona? When you say no, get me your one, then it's fine. Okay, then we get our one. Now you're comfortable with that now. Do you need another witness? Those are the processes that go on. And as if I'm told,
I get you.
Yeah. So such things don't just happen. That around with umuntu bathi bamshaya imali. Lento lezo uyelo icalayo because of that's why it's lack of information and you are too quick in making decisions at that particular time because of excitement, because of also hunger. That's why it's hunger na dangerous sometimes. Yeah, so and then along the way such things happen. Big Sean, no Kanye West.
Hey, that's gang.
Big Sean has been calling Kanye West to say imali amigo. I heard with Universal guy man. So if I'm guy. Kanye West said no, we're not Universal, but yeah, I'm signed to you as good music. And you as good music, you are doing business Nalaba. So I just want to know where my money is going. Okay, since you want to know, let me call them so that they can give you the files and read them. At that time, they thought maybe he's lazy to do that. No, Kantunani, no auditor. He also has his own lawyer that was looking at the files, only to find out how much was he owed 50 million.
SS 50 million.
We understand. But he managed. Big Sean Namhlanje mainly because of he took time to go through whatever that he needed to go through. So how many of us as artists do we do that? Less. And then I'm too quick Mali. I'm affected now. Bank statement. Who was managing you? No, I'm seeing these different management companies, and this is how these companies sometimes will take this man. Because of management company different. But we are here in Mzansi, we're still building this management company because most artists basically they are managed by booking agencies, not management.
Yeah.
So booking agencies then become management companies that will manage these artists. So mawafuna ukushaya imali ema-record label, they only create too much paperwork.
Ukuthi bedisi.
And then ikudala. That's a simple trick. Le ukuthi bakulethela ibhili yakuthi knows or in it's a simple trick. Mabakubona ukuthi serious no uyabasuwa. Bakushaya ngenyamanye ama-file batibamba ke. Yowaceda nini? Angizongitshela ukuthi by 3 months wena uzokuthi hayi.
And atasahlula isikole ndoda. Sithena ama contract. So can I ask a question then? Abafethu ningawari makhala 325 ikusesowethu.
So
Phila kanje. So tell me something. Iflop, is it the major labels or the lack of information am artist?
lack of information ama-artist.
So we must not blame Sony and Universal.
No.
They are doing their job.
They're doing their job.
Just that the artists don't have information.
And then uzotholwe one kuma comments that they're doing their job by exploiting our. No, that's not what I mean. They are doing their job the same way you are doing your job. Monkey and alapa studio record. No one wakes up. I wish you would bam. But the question would bag rope again. All I'm saying go good thing. Have the information. The day you've signed that contract, do you have the copy of the contract there? Are you still in contact with your lawyer? And was it produced by that law by the record label or is it your own? Because if you need to keep a paper trail. So that by the time you are on this couch, uphetha amaphepha ukuthi bengidila now simple signile so Universal then said, okay, cool, we are associated now NBS management, we did this and that, yeah. So why the man let me bengaibo? So you have to stop being lazy as an artist. It doesn't work that way.
So why would you decide to promote Sony in Universal?
I don't decide.
What happened?
It's just happened.
What happened? You're starting with your PR answer.
No, here's why. It was. I think I was just getting. I think I was just getting. Yeah, no. I was getting big for that environment. I was just getting big for that environment. I think now I just was looking for more opportunities. Yeah. So
let's talk about the current boys who are doing it now. Me, I'm not scared to mention names. Let's talk about Young Star. Let's talk about Dialonga. Let's talk about Cetriel. Let's talk about Lime Crazy. Let's talk about Zinumalo. Let's talk about who else? Cameraman. Who else? Let's talk about. I can't mention Mashu. Let's talk about the mainstreams.
yeah.
Do you think they will still live the same lifestyle that they are living, or they are in debt?
They will still live the same lifestyle as long as they are loyal to labor or whatever deal that they sign. As long as you're loyal, good, you maintain a loyal lifestyle. And if you're smart enough, whatever money that they gave you, you've been saving or you invested it or you set up in a group, then yeah, you can still maintain that lifestyle.
You're gonna be nice.
Yeah, but that's the thing. They can still maintain that lifestyle, but the question is until when?
That's the thing.
Because of Napa, a artist that can tell us that they own their masters.
Which artist own? Bengicela comment nisitshele
Yeah, please. Basitshele ukuthi ubani umuntu onama masters.
Because ne-Trompisi na yourself.
And I'm a legend.
I'm a legend. Ngomandla speak here.
So we don't know with some masters bar owner or
Mayawalona.
do they even know what to eat?
Yeah. Please, yes, please break it down for us. What's the importance of owning your masters?
The importance is, come 5 years, 10 years from now, you will still be making money. Because if someone out there will still be wanting to use a music work or the sample or this and that, or just a little bit of whatever, or element, so owning your masters, you can still resell them. Look at it as a market share. But with masters, it doesn't depreciate. Music always grows every time. At this time, we still listen to, what's that song? The Return of the Mac. Return of the Mac, once again, Return of the Mac. That song. But I'm saying, but till this day, banga akabantu basadlala ingoma leya and they still find it catchy.
Yeah, like ubona utshele ukuthi abafana bequiet abanamali TC 10 11 ke ubona utshele ukuthi
so imagine manje le ngoma leyo uyizwa everywhere nase radio but you're not owning the full rights ezakhona.
Awuna ulands.
So you're not getting anything every month.
Sure.
That's the importance of masters. And that's why it was important for also Snoop Dogg
to buy Death Row.
But also he started by doing what? By working first for that record label. And then I was like, no man. Death Row. Can I buy it? But yeah, for sure. That's if you have this money. But first of all, think ama masters wamajita wabo. Athenga ama masters wamajita wakhe kuqala. And then abagawo. Then ahamba uyothenga Death Row athatho wakhe.
Hey, smart move.
Uyayibona?
Yazi why I'm happy namhlanje, because your conversation today are not filtered. Like we
until the last time I was afraid with it. Don't join Illuminati.
Hey, fuck Illuminati. I was Illuminati. So, guys, you must make sure you prioritize knowing how to own your masters, because your masters, like imali, it's a revenue forever.
It lives with you
forever.
It doesn't go away.
Yeah. So there was a segment whereby like there was a stigma, I don't know, whereby like they say uKabza beyangakwazi uku-afford ukubhadala indlu yakhe. But Kabza is making money. Is it true?
I don't know.
You are from Alex, Kabza is from Alex.
Angas. But into ukuthi esikhuluma namhlanje ukuthi was it really necessary for him to actually say good no ngihlale ukundle so cost her this much? Was it necessary? Nah. I'm just saying. Maybe at that time it was, but now, yeah, Abu Kabza they release on a corner. It sometimes doesn't make any sense.
They have to pay that 22 million, bro.
Marisa's a 30 card. It's still gonna take years, bro.
So that means Puri ufaka majita emgodini.
Mautem Kotini kanja.
Because Abu Kabza bebangazi 22 million. The person who came with the deal is Puri.
Yeah, if that's the case, if we bear kanjalo, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a liar.
No, if we bear kanjalo, then yeah. But I also feel good now as umuntu nenqondo, you would know what you're getting yourself into. So Puri can take all of that blame.
Ne.
But so same now, man, calling it mfita sample, so kunento so unedile so, and this thing is placed in front of you. What are you gonna say?
I am
simple you flop. After you signed it, so grand, unemoto zingaka. Uploma kulendlu lo ploma koyo. You traveling the world.
Yo.
And then it so happened slightly, maybe you forgot to pay a rent. I don't know how, but it happens. And it happens Mokas. So it shows that it's possible. He's a human being. He forgot to pay rent.
Yeah.
Or he has an issue. We are short or somewhere. Or something happened.
So, by your own understanding of your intellectual property, because we're gonna have a break in 40 minutes, we need a break, ne? Just to cook out the moya. Do you think Amapiano will be like quite to artist whereby when Amapiano ends or not end, when they escalate,
Each genre,
they
Amapiano, but the genre will always stand and stand firm.
Yeah,
The hip hop, kwaito, ne gospel.
Yes, sir.
That's a fact.
So, piano artists, piano, they need to start to invest for them to not starve.
They need to come up with something new. Nama lockdown, nama beatla, it's the same now.
Now it's the same now.
Yeah, it's the same. And they need to also come up with a new marketing strategy with Bazoenza because of Wonkama music video by a fan.
And
There's no storyline.
There's no creativity.
Next. So when it comes to Let's Run Amapiano, you associate na. Because of if I can tell you in a hip hop, you already know what to associate na.
Obviously, we got a Hennessy there, we got Puma
Thank
there.
you.
Like
If it's a Kurumanga Kwaito, we have to associate na.
Dickies, All Star.
So Amapiano is associate na.
Jägermeister. And I say, Yimbi Jägermeister. Nyadala, you already sponsor.
But so for me,
No,
those are the three.
Amapiano, Jägermeister, and Oka Pipe.
Yeah, but still, what are they pushing basically in terms of new trends, in terms of how they dress, so and so? Why till this day nisafuna ukugqoka njenge trompis or abomandla speaking?
Sometimes I feel like the hip hop.
Nifuna ukugqoka yabona. So what trend is it that Amapiano is actually identity yakho yayibona ukuthi njani?
You don't have a culture.
Yeah, because of bonke bayafana.
Shit.
It's gold teeth
Real.
but
that's
you got it
hip-hop.
from hip hop. So what is it that as Amapiano you guys are actually pushing? You know, what's the culture yakho? If I say Amapiano ngikhuluma, you know, because when I say hip hop, I know I'm talking about the hood where I grew up.
Yeah.
Music, it can relate.
Yeah.
You know, music.
Yeah.
When you talk about the R&B or hip hop, you always talk about.
Okay, Bafetu, welcome back to Ikaselfugida Bafetu. Nasi Soweto Bafetu, lecture Koni Poti, Kaslo Honch, Lag Moshakali Poti, Sister Shemointi Spinise. I was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Italian. Enough with the politics. Enough with the. But before I jump to you being ex-manager ka Mzuu M and the saga ka Pastor 99 Mzuu M, what do you think about Uchi Mashiko? What do you think about the Shebe shit? We're repeating again. What do you think about it? Was a Bambilautia, but since the Shebe shit about Sheba Feti the Combo today, that shows who was the king of the combo.
Yeah, very big on the map.
Without him, there's no Lecom.
Yeah.
So, abo Shandesh, abo Karishma, abo Tandesh, abo what? They bancike kuye.
And now by us.
So, if they free Shebe shit, the comp will be there.
Let's see if we are in the Shisa.
But imagine a show, Papa
Let's see
Kakai.
if we are in the Shisa. I see where you're going.
Nah.
Yeah.
But imagine Jesus coming back.
That's a different statement.
It's the same.
It's a different
He's a Jesus of the compo.
one.
Like Kabanga, welcome back Shebe shit from prison event.
So when I saw news, I want to my idea.
Uyogcwala mfe. So what you think about Uchi Mashiko? As a young boy,
Boy, there's no coming back.
you,
Magabiyele scared or ends or something.
yo,
Or work behind the scene.
yo. Maripeti, Zama no return 2000.
And then what my favorite?
Maybe the same thing.
There's nothing. There's no coming back.
Yo.
He would rather start something, a clothing brand or a record label.
Yo.
Serious. Or he just needs to go back to school. There's no coming back. I'm telling you. There's no coming back.
Hi, another question. Says, we Nicki Minaj ati Trevor Noah alleged.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, dog.
I mean, I feel like it's just trolling.
Ne?
Yeah, no, it's just
Because
trolling.
what have he did on the
Yeah,
climate
it's just
thing,
trolling. I mean, Donald Trump was like, yeah, but his jokes were. You know how Donald Trump is.
People say allegedly. People say Donald Trump is on the who.
I don't know.
But he Uber.
Yeah, I
I see again there. So Fetu Simpio is an ex-manager of and we saw circulating video of where he's talking about like, oh, Pastor 99 not paying his money, not like Aricha like the limit of
not good to limits, love for now. Communication. That's the thing.
What's the okay?
So that communication is all about imabul. It's sad that communication only happens on one side. Pastor over established on this side, and then one man just needs to struggle. It's like I can tell you to uptela for izinto zakho basically, because it's yours. You know, share lapha kubhala amagama ayi-2 Pastor 929 and Mzuu M. Nayi-2 kulo spreadsheet. There's no other. But for you to stop that communication, and that's the thing. This is what people don't understand. Mzuu has been trying so hard. It's years he's been reaching out to Lucas. I mean, there was multiple times where we went to available Pastor Sakale Stone Reach. I don't know if it's up from Marana. Azor, are you recording? That's how this guy is so genuine and down to earth. So, Joguta Zoyen's writing, it was for him. And I'm glad that I had a conversation now. Because I asked him to grant, I'm fit to grant, but it needed to happen. And the people that he mentioned, those are the people who I'm fit to slowest communicator now. Abolinzi, going back and forth, but no, next week we'll see. No, let's do it on this. No, let's meet, let's in it. Because, and you know, this is the messed up part. He does that video, Ukuluma saw, and then Pastor then responds to a message.
Wait. So, Pastor,
so basically, it took Mzuu to make the video there. Ogo respond.
Shit.
We have one thing messed up, daily.
So, Pastor for the protective brand again to respond.
No, but who's an response?
It's in response.
Daring lobo ichunila why bonga was ukringa namna. You're not starting conversation. Now we're heading to something else. Should you entrete? What do you mean? In a number my message, you're not responding. All of a sudden now I'm putting out this video. When I couldn't respond, no. But let's meet up. So when we meet up in Izoyen's right now, that's my question. Or still so and after La Posi postpones it next week, let's meet up again. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Kayumuntu what they deserve. Mgaye mfethi imfanelo zami mgaye kutepeka nje amdadeng sichunile lesipushile for isikhathi nas. Mali bhaya mfethi lengenile for that song.
How much?
I don't know.
Is he managed?
I don't know.
So as a manager,
but it was enough for Pastor to get whatever cars that he needed.
So
and it was enough for him to maintain what he has even now.
Yes. So everything that Pastor has belongs to Mzulu.
Basically. And that's a fact.
So, le moto upasta nazo.
That's a fact.
Le moto upasta nazo.
And
it's because of Mapulo.
And please understand, it works.
Shit.
It works both ways. Ukazi yes, we produce the also composed a beat, but if it wasn't for Mzuba, ngeke ne Mapulo. Right? If it wasn't for Upasta, ngeke nale beat lela. If it wasn't for Mzuba, ngeke nama vocals. So they needed each other. But at some point, one felt to go to I know, but it's me. And I'm glad good to with that video he also states that now he has a bank statement. He has all the proof. But with Umzu, you need to understand he's far from snacks so it actually took a lot out of him. Good ends another video there. Because actually umuntu so. But ukhathele naye. Ukhathele. When ula ukhona mina ngisese yekasi and then what must happen?
And I'm a laughing stock.
Besides laughing stock, if we work together on this song. Why manje so difficult ukuthi ninginikeze into zami? Why?
Kanti Alex ngiphila kanjani kanti?
Ufuna siphile, what do you mean siphila kanjani?
Like amaroto.
And mfana tungukutshela. Ama-Grootman abhayi bazokutshela ukuthi i-outcome ngabloma naye mina ezami izinto sport. Uma uyi-Grootman you know going back you're gonna uplift lo muntu lo muntu. Yayithona? And I understand ukuthi mawuthi ekasi siphila kanjani Alex. Nama ngazi confused. Because of lento ngiyibona no, it's not what we were taught by ama-Grootman wethu. Le ngiyibona no, it's mix ne ego ne pride. Yangithola ukuthi aphe kuzongithola phambili. It's like it's a race and it's really not because of we all need each other. Le industry le incane. By the time uzofuna advice ukuthi ngise roomina sona so ngihleli nabantu abasona so umuntu omcabanga usimpiwe. Mfethu, what should I say? Makuso ngithini? Makuso do I sign? Do I don't? Do I? How do I move? I-brand yami ngimove kanjani? And then man simply amka i-brand into njani? We all need each other. But by the time untarano sekacela athi uyangena, you simply akasamenzeli sengithole esinye ischeme. But the question is, labantu laba bakuphi all along? Where were they? You see, and then you have us that tell that story because we lived in Alabantu Labaya in the same space and moved with them. But by the time now they start doing drugs, omunye bathi uyile stage or omunye bathi nangu uyenza in baya kubobani baza kithi.
Who's doing drugs now?
And I'm just saying, no, baza kithi. They ask us because of why uphilena lo muntu kulena. So why now? You get me? Why now? Why are you into and when you end up with him? Ask the people that he's chilling with. And lastly, and Bengita, I don't want to mention this. I'm glad ngale question yakho. Last thing no Zoom. Avangele PM la kel palumshin. So I see him and he follows me, but like and we spoke minana. And this is what I told him. You need to stop this thing, yeah. You really need to stop it. It doesn't suit you. At all. And especially when you're in this industry. You need people. Because abantu abayo streaming abantu. They take their time, data able to download and do it. You need to stop this thing, yeah. See umuntu as umuntu. And the reason why I told him that was mainly because of, and I told him nothing done. You know the sad part of this kule sonke, and yet I couldn't wish you a happy birthday because of ngine number yako, but you chose not to answer. So you put me in a category with okay, cool. Usimpe is no longer doing it for me. So I have these other people that are doing it. So I'm moving slow. You don't owe me anything. But all I'm saying, go to don't forget where you come from. Because of the same people, labo now, or hustler now, that you can mention on podcasts and say, this is the person that actually taught me hip hop or this and that. But today you don't see them as nothing. That's bad, brother. That's bad because of I'm so afraid, God forbid something happens to you. Who's gonna stand up there and tell the truth now? Because of la bakwazi from a front ukuthi bakuthole manje so uZoom, not as uSabelo Kelvin, no Zoom. Yayibona? Same applies na with life. uReese. Laba hamba nabo bamthole as uReese, not with life. uLife waziwa yithi lezi zasekhaya. uSabelo waziwa yithi lezi zasekhaya. But now if something happens to you guys, who's gonna stand there and say something that's truthful and meaningful? Thina no startup thina if anikwazi ukubamba ama calls wethu. And among ukufonela, I don't need anything. Now bazokutshela. Go to guys maga phone. I mean it's always I'm checking up on you grand now. Let's keep up. But now if you now reach these heights and feel what maybe mina teka angakafiki. Mina I'm journey different. I'm behind the scenes.
And they're doing the most.
And I'm doing the most. You know? But the analogy behind it, that's where I don't get it. And we need to applaud UMT. Because he kept them day ones work from Dal, Abu Saudi, Abu Java. He kept them. F-Easy.
Like, excuse to the viewers out there, sorry. Imagine somebody being your idol. Basically, I'm saying, no disrespect, but ubona umuntu idol yakho, basically I'm saying because you see ukuthi okay, out sekayawa.
Yeah.
Let me lift him up.
Yeah.
Like that's being a hustler.
Into school manga.
Like dog, yeah, big hustler.
So umuntu ke we need to give credit to.
Mfana, MT has the hip hop industry in his shoulder. As a country, milisi massage.
So that's that from me.
Ne, so as a manager ga Mzu M, how's Mzu M personally? Because you might think ukuthi uPastor was wrong, but uthola ukuthi Mzu M unama flops. You must not check everything one-sided. That's why no left no right.
Yeah, Umzu angaba nama flop, but it depends ukuthi abanye abantu bamreceive kanjani.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah.
What can you tell Mzu ukuthi azilungise? Gopi. don't run away from the question. He spoke about unfiltered.
No, I won't run away.
Yeah, tell Umzu.
No, Umzu needs to. No, Umzu.
This.
Umzu needs to express himself more.
How so? You are not.
He needs to call a spade a spade. Like he needs to say what doesn't. There's so many people that wronged him.
Who are those people?
Who are those of cousin? No, not me. That's
but
not my place.
You are the manager.
No, I was.
You was the manager.
Yeah.
And you know the story.
But remember, what Yonkinto has to do with timing. Manje, his main focus is this one. Going forward, who you want to get a surprise? I go to Saga Kipazi.
Okay, listen. Mzu has one hit song.
Mzu has a multiple song.
Mzu has a Mapula. Which one do you know after that one?
Leasho. Yalizwa le number te.
That one you know you know it. You don't know it.
Ganjani?
Nobody know it. Do you know it?
But yeah.
No.
Go back to the album.
Which song is bigger than Mapula?
Yagamzu.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Me people hate me for the
but
truth.
I know if we be Ganjalo, no, you, yeah.
Yeah, me people hate me for the truth. Which song is bigger than Mapula? We must ask ourselves why. I'm not saying Mzu is whack. I'm not saying Mzu is that and that and that. But which song is bigger than Mapula that Mzu did alone? Or Mzu did without a pastor? I'm not saying who pastor is right. Pastor pay the man. Which song? It same applies to say trade. Which song did Central do that is bigger than the John Wayne?
Yeah. No, it makes sense.
which song did Ukush did Endlula Umthandazo? I'm speaking facts. I'm speaking things that I research. I'm speaking things. I'm always on YouTube. I check you guys. I have you on WhatsApp. I know your status messages. Which song? I can even go to MT. Which song MT did that is bigger than your roll up?
Yeah.
Let's talk facts. We must I think like as I'm a host who do I'm a podcast. We try to protect abantu because of relationships. We don't want to speak the truth. Let's put facts on the table. Which song Uthathwa Hati did that's bigger than the song that he did with Young Stan?
Yeah.
Which like I can mention gang songs. Which song umzu ayenzele that is bigger than Umapulu?
No, Umapulu. Are you kidding?
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, fair. No, I get you. Nyathola.
Yeah, so why?
I don't know. Maybe because of the magic that they created, boy, too.
Is it the attitude? Is it the way he behaves? Is it the way he approaches people? Is it because it's Valela Rakulu?
Nyathola ukuthi ya.
Yeah, me I'm honest, bro.
No, Nyathola.
Me you rather hate me for the truth.
No, I get, and to support the statements, I would tell you, and I think he's aware or he's not aware, but on top of that, they would complain, but he's hard to work with. Ne? He's hard to work with. And then I come in to say, no, it's not that he's hard to work. He knows what he wants. So with Umzu, he's one person man in the studio, and he listens to his beat. He can literally say and ask you the bag and fit. As change the element, is change into so, change into so. And then sometimes maybe good might come off strong with Atmara Ukaz. We understand. I appreciate that, yes. And then that's when the difficulty comes in. Or he would say with doesn't I feed or repair in I see tune next week. Maybe Manjan also decided. And then I'll come in. We have different personalities.
So don't you think that personality is killing the craft Yakamzu as an ex-manager?
Yeah, it is. At some point it is.
It is. So as an ex-manager, one advice just hop on the beat, do whatever you do, leave the lyrics, maybe producers will add something. Now I'm holding you accountable as a manager.
I never thought about it that way.
Yeah, that's why we are here. Me, I'm Tarian. That's why people don't like me. That's why people want the
and then why? Because you having to be a manager, you try by all means to not fuck with someone's craft and the creativity. So you try by all means to stand behind and then observe. But at the same time, it's gonna say shower because of by the time umfunela something or umfuneli gig is like, yeah, but we worked with him and not anymore. Yeah, or this is the amount that we can give you guys, and then you speak to him and then he declines, like, you get me? So when it comes to creativity side, I think I'm the best at it, and to stand in the corner and say, you know what, do your thing. But at the end of the day, once we walk out of the studio, we would have that producer say,
okay, personally, what you're trying to say to me, that means Mzu has ego.
Nope.
That's ego. That's ego. Don't protect the brand. Let's build a brand. That's ego. If me, I can come to you and not go to him and say, with Gazi, I'm going to turn it so and so. I can't approach you because you have ego. So I'd rather go to your manager. Mzu, I'll tell me, yeah, you are trying to fix your brand. You understand? You are not trying to tarnish your brand. You are as a ganda. That means Umzu has to fix his personal ego. Ubu-superstar bagcine ngo-Chris Brown no-Justin Bieber. Msebenzi ubu-superstar. Let's talk facts. Simply, we manage.
Yeah, no, yeah,
You're still gonna manage.
No, alright.
You even
alright.
Guys, this person,
alright. I want ego
he even manages me. You manage me.
Ego and pride. You into Bakawata. You're right.
Put it straight.
Yeah, you're right.
Because I don't want you.
No, you're right.
You manager.
No, you're right.
You protect
ego
my
and pride.
wrongs.
Yabakawata. Same. No Zuma. He has a lot of pride in ego. But he's talented. Mariam Kawat.
So between Zuma and Reese,
I prefer Reese.
Reese.
I prefer because of Reese has proven years in loyalty. I can even call him now. Abambi phone with the beggar. Over. Nita I'm fitting to son and Dara. No afraid I lose unjail Mosekas.
Yeah.
I choose Reese.
Yeah.
And we're talking about both people that I grew up with.
Yeah. Yeah, but the last episode you said it.
Yeah. So you're right by saying pride and ego.
So he needs to fix his pride and ego.
Yeah, it's tall,
guys. Me from my heart, talent is not enough.
Thank you.
If you don't have, if you can't humble yourself, you need to know how to humble yourself. Umazomuntu noma ngaba nama-plaque ayi-million umuntu angana-plaque zihambule dog.
And another thing, yazi into omele uyikhuluma ukuthi uba nekwali kanjani nomunye umuntu ukuthi mfethu nikhule endaweni eyi-one naye.
That's self-sabotage.
Uyayibona ukuthi njani? How does that make sense?
So yabona lento lebeya kuphi. You can try to blame Pastor, not knowing what transpired between them two.
No, with that one, that's the thing.
You were not there.
That's why you have me here. Because there was multiple times where we would speak go Lindsay. There was multiple times where we would speak Lindsay and I'm with Umzu. Or he would speak to Ulentu Past. That's why we would also physically go there. Say record it. And then they would say, those are what I've seen. Mangnai. So that part, Leo Vela would stand by it. And then, the other ones, you can say, good, I know, Lezo Benge. But that one I will stand by it.
Yeah.
But there's multiple times where he would call them and speak now. Or he would tell them to pay and for no links or now to make message so that he has well in as a phone. He has receipts. Yeah.
So me by the looks of our conversation, I would say Mzu, you might prove, I'm not buying face. Yeah, I'm not buying face. This is home. What I'm saying to you is you need to humble yourself. Superstar sebenzi. Yabo, nase super glue yamakule na isabame njenga super glue yakudala. Zuma nawe. Akunamuntu onamakhanda amabili, unekhanda eli-one. Humble yourself. You understand? So me, I stand for the truth. Chayvane knows.
Tell no Kush.
Kush. Oh, West Gewe. West Gewe.
Tell no Tagat.
What's happening with Kush, bro?
Kush.
Tana mango Kush.
Too much. Akuna mchita da.
Who's behind Kush?
Who was he? Today I can find no entertainer because of our pain. And there's a Kush.
You are here for the truth.
And there's a Kush, ne? There's a Porela. He's the same person. I've been trying to reach out. And Umuntu Kulmanai, one of his team, Romeo. I still have his numbers. Kush. So when Kush started with recording and no T-Man. Not T-Man Express. I've lent them equipment there. That's a studio. He knows about this. And I've tried so many times to get the peg. I need those things back. Because of Gunayunto and so my plan was there's a place of 14. I think I didn't show you, but I told you about it. Eramakok. So I wanted to create that as a studio. So while they were still busy, lapaya equipment to push equipment on it, I then lent him. Till this day.
Aya boy.
Till this day.
Ekush we study equipment plus
Till this
afuna
day.
ukwenza podcast.
And ngifuna ukumtshela vele in front of everyone. It's fine, you can keep it. But as long as you have my property, whatever that you release, it's basically owned by me.
Yeah.
Because of you using my things. There's another side he doesn't know. Entertainment to seven zaganja. But which is fine.
Ne?
I mean, manje mipa angazi.
Yeah.
So Mtulile, let him record so many songs. I keep in a malpa.
Yeah. So before we close the show, me kasilivukile bafethu, kasilivukile means ukuthi siyavusa abantu basekhaya. And me, I stand by the truth. Even if you hate me or you love me, mari qiniso uyalazi. And iphelela la. IG ayinasdrive velo iyagoghoza. You understand? So piano way. Let me be controversial a bit. What do you think about Usfiso? No reason.
For reason ungamfaki, mfana in the same bracket.
Yeah. You can't put the reason.
Ungafaki
reason in the catalog. I reason nama steroids.
Usfiso.
Bafethu, shout out to you back again and ikaselivukile bafethu. So ikaselivukile is a platform where we talk about like organic stories. We are not filtering anything. So if you feel like you are offended by the truth, because bathi ngesizulu iqiniso liyahlaba. So manje kuhlaba ameva, which means you change indlela zakho. So before we wrap up the show, because we have like 2 minutes left, and shout out to labo abaphasile abayi grade 12, abayi grade 11, abayi grade 10. Abafailile, you can still do it and continue with the progress. Ningazihengi nike indaba yama-truth manje indaba yama-truth yangidina nale yama-hookah pipe. So back to you, Simpiwe. What's your take about Usfiso? Does he deserve to be on the chair?
But my take Usfiso ukuthi I don't know ukuthi angakhuziwa kanjani.
Ufuna impama.
Ureason umkhuzile.
Akarizini.
Yeah, I understand. So I don't know, but what I can tell you ukuthi ayena mfana imhlulile yakhe. And he's not getting any young. I hope he has. So he just needs to change. He just needs to change. And Daria, and into la khisa ukuthi he's an even question Umekji. What's the point of that thing?
Why are you hiring that nigga?
And he couldn't even answer.
Yo.
You understand? Which says a lot. Okay, so this is the type of people that you associate yourself with.
For the numbers.
Yeah, for the numbers. You know? And then obviously he came back and responded with no, but if it for the numbers, go ukuluma whatever. But that's besides the point. But what I'm telling you is Usfiso for now. I'm not crowd man.
But McG now, dog. McG. I have you on my WhatsApp. We talk each and every day. We talk we talk content. What's trending in Soweto? Boy, hit me up. Give me the highlight. I have Taki. Here, boy, what's a gala in the car? I have Usfiso. Hey, what? But guys, come on. You can't be body shaming about tattoo heart. Very good. Sine lende zingaki. Bonile ulebu mathosa. Lebu mathosa beke island. Indaba yezinto enzakalayo. Bona uBrenda Fassie. Umama Brenda Fassie, sorry. So if uzo body shame uthathwa heart, what do you think about abantwana basesikolweni abane body physique efana nakathathwa heart? Then umntana oseclassini lakhe makamgwara uzothini? Mele sik-era amafutha. What's that? Yeah. That's when kids commit suicide.
Yeah.
Because of an old ass nigga who failed in life. Now he's trying to be relevant. Now I'm honest in everything. Everything I say by my heart. even if bangati you get arrested, I'll be
remember
I'll be
what
arrested for the truth.
But remember, Thabo Sifiso no survive. Ukhathele lo muntu loya.
Ukhathele.
Into ahamba manje lo msebenzi loya. There's nothing else.
They're not taking piano anymore.
When did they ever talk about the piano?
What
When? And then nakhona, my thing with people need to question. After that podcast, bayenza. Yeah, we are told. What else?
What else?
Are they going back to endlini zabo and do research with this man utshwala nobanba? Or this one drinks more than this one?
Why didn't I
To them, that's work, and then after Lapo, at this particular date, ila shooter call.
My personal. Why didn't I busy? Piano pals. If it's any dating and alcohol pals or gossip pals.
Yeah, gossip pals.
Just call it gossip
that
pals.
That has a ring, yeah.
Because if you're talking about piano pals, you need to talk about the new upcomings, the potential upcomings, the new teachers that are about to pop out.
Yeah.
The new people who are getting endorsement deals, the people who are doing great in amapiano, the new sound, the new melodies, high secular drum, signal what.
Thank you.
Like
the technical part behind the scene, piano, and what it takes for you between the event.
Like come on.
The name it's you can do so much.
Dog.
Bese mawubheka lapho uthola uSifiso okhuluma ezinye izinto eziyakhe.
Uzokutshela uKelvin.
Uzokutshela nowebe akhona ku-industry. So mawukhona ku-industry for this what is it that you have that you look back and say, this is what I built. This is so many artists ukuthi ngibancedile and I've built it.
Wenze. Like ungena va ku relationship ka Kelvin Momo. Ayifuni wena uhlulwa eyakho. Number 1, eyakho self iyabuhlula.
Oh, deep yo.
Yeah, you know that's why I'm deep because lento le ipersonal mfethu la bantu sibazi personal. Number 1 buhlekisa ngolimi crazy ukuthi uthenge ipholo. Ulimi crazy thina simaza ngana amatey. For ukuthi uthenge ipholo achievement.
Yeah.
Wena cause ubuya enhle kona
because of nathi mfethu yabona uSifiso no nale dollar le but ufana nejuke
and uthatha out ya ufana nale
money ngikara le but inisana ya mina always question ngithi okay cool but dala ba kwi-industry I know uSifiso in management
lo Rob Umlindo
yeah but after lapho kwenzakalani ngayo like what is it besides the podcast?
So
yabona ukuthi they have so much time on their hands. That's why bakwazi ukukhuluma ngamanye abantu.
Yeah, they don't have information.
You don't have information.
Yabona
if you have so much time unesikhathi sokukhuluma nabanye abantu. Sijwayele lento ekasi.
Yeah.
Nokuvuka vele kuseni ugcoka igown ume lapha estradeni ukwazi ukukhuluma nabanye abantu. Uchekane noNtarian ukuthi manje esikoleni ubuya ngalesikhathi. Makabuya ongena kule ndlu le. Akusifiso naboThafi ke.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then Utak makes it sounds like, you know, he's educated. We touch to an extreme.
Seppi. Broken English.
I khulume ngephassion. As if he knows facts, and that's another thing. He might say he knows facts, but do you have proof?
Do you have proof? Dog.
I would tell you, these are people who they always take things and go, oh, bengihleli noKatlego artist outing it lapha kule pot. Yeah, you know, yesterday, you know. Yeah, I want. Usifiso na comment.
And Usifiso, when Usifiso prices uThagi wena ufaka uThagi under the bus wena uza nge-information engcolile bese uyiphosela kuThagi bese yonke into isala noThagi.
Mara na uyavuma.
Yavuma uThagi Ntwana.
Ufuna ngqondo encane.
Ufuna prove point ku the owner of the channel.
Ngilakhiso lesikhathi lesa bekakhuluma ukuthi ulando ilamajida laba Kelvin Momo.
Ngaye bamklapile yazi.
Ifana noSifiso. uSifiso kumele simlande somfake ebhodini.
Reason we volunteer asimlande. Yeah.
No, I take that back.
Me, I don't take it back.
And it was a joke. It was a joke.
Me, I'm not joker. Me, you.
But anyway, yeah.
Mara guys, Sifiso mfethu. Sicela ukubody shame abantu basekhaya, labantwana basebenze kanzima. Awazi nalo mntana ombody shame ukuthi umama wakho laladleni. What if unogogo kuphela lo muntu okhuluma ngaye?
Thank you.
What if breadwinner lo muntu okhuluma ngaye? uthatha uHathi uzowaposta ukuthi at this point I can commit suicide.
Hey, man.
Have you thought about that? Like
That's sad.
like ukuyicabanga ukuthi even ngizothi uthatha uHathi udinga amafutha. Wena mangakutshela ukuthi isifiso lewe ubukeka ngakhona ngathi unesinyama.
Besides ubukeka, Sifiso needs another job. Besides that, there's nothing.
Urobheni umlindo.
Besides that, there's nothing. He
Hello?
needs another job.
McG khasha McG na uhamba utopa igarbage yazi.
Now I make a new regret. Who decided?
I think McG is just doing it for the numbers.
Yeah, he would decide. That's it.
Cabanga, you know what's sad? Like the whole channel now is fighting. Our pop-ups, they're out of the channel.
When we're going to Pelela.
You understand?
But we're going to Pelela.
You understand?
Working with such people.
I can't work with Spiso.
Yeah.
I was there in Piano Pulse athi kimi ngizokulahlela ngewindow yazi ngathi mina ngathi uzo.
Oh, kusho yena.
Yeah athi yona sana ngathi ngakuthatha ngokulahlela ngaphandle ngewindow ngathi uzo. Intanga zakho kudala zenzile.
Ikwala le.
Ngazositshela Sifiso hlonipha abanye abantwana mfethu labantu abantu esibathandayo. To everybody is doing nice on my piano. Big shout out to everybody is doing nice. Kunama event azayo.
Shout out to Katle for the vocals.
Oh,
That girl is a new line looking there.
we need to bring her in the podcast.
Yeah.
Ne.